To become a good presenter or a good workshop leader is important to have also the knowledge about how to teach other people. Everybody who's interested actually in teaching other people can be a good candidate for attending this course. It's a unique program because in the most meetings you don't have subjects like that. It's always about techniques, about volume, pharmacology, and in the instructor course it's purely how do you teach another person this procedure, how to give feedback, how to do verbal, non-verbal communications, conflicts and during teaching. So it's a very unique course actually. Everybody was experiencing some way of teaching in their hospital, either if they have trainees, either just for their colleagues. For instance, if I go to a congress, I learn a new technique, I should be able to also learn my colleagues in Belgium how this technique should be done. And therefore I think it's important not only for experts but actually for everybody who has a teaching role in their hospital. How to present, how to be a good teacher, how to manage with conflicts between the teacher and the trainees and things like that. One of the keystones of our program is that you can have some simulation sessions, that you can have some scenario training. The first day we mainly focus on presentations, how to be a good teacher, how to give feedback and things like that. And the second day we mainly do only practical interactive seminars, doing scenarios. I try to give a good overview why an instructor course is important, why teaching teachers can be important, that it's much more than just knowing how to do a procedure yourself, but also be able to bring it to somebody else. I think that's the main reason for joining an instructor course.